I'm starting by making the sauce. In a bowl I have some mayonnaise, and I'm adding in some Thai sweet chili sauce. This will add some sweet and heat to this dish. If you like additional heat, you can add some sriracha sauce. In goes some minced garlic, a couple tablespoons of lime juice, some crushed red pepper flakes, and onion powder. Giving that a stir and setting to the side. This is a little over a pound of peeled, deveined, and cleaned shrimp. These are large, but you can use small or medium-sized shrimp. Adding in some olive oil, black pepper, minced garlic, and a good dose of paprika. Giving that a good but gentle stir. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. In a pan on medium heat, I'm adding in some olive oil, diced onions, and red bell peppers. Stirring and cooking for 3 to 4 minutes until they start to soften. Adding the shrimp to the pan and spreading out. This size shrimp will take about 7 to 10 minutes to cook. This is really smelling good. You can also use chicken for this recipe. You can use boneless chicken thighs or breasts and just slice them into 1-inch pieces. Use the same marinade ingredients, and I would let the chicken marinate in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. What is really nice is that you can make the sauce and do the marinating ahead of time. This is optional, but I'm adding in some peas for a little pop and color, giving that a good mix. You can use whatever pasta you like. Tonight I'm using Mafalda pasta, which is a narrow ribbon pasta. I cooked the pasta according to the package instructions, and now I'm adding it directly into the pan. Now I'm adding in the sauce and some parsley. This is dried parsley, but if you have fresh chopped parsley, that is the best. Giving that a good toss to get mixed and all the pasta coated, and the dish is done. I love the creamy sweet and hot in this Bang Bang shrimp pasta dish. It's spicy yet not too hot, and of course if you want to bump up the heat, just add in some sriracha. The meaty shrimp has some great flavor. I hope you give this Bang Bang shrimp pasta meal a try and enjoy. Some of my most popular video recipes are Asian stir-fries. I have shown you how to make vegetable, chicken, and beef lo mein, and today I'm making a Chinese shrimp lo mein stir-fry. These are the lo mein noodles that I use, and they are found in the frozen section of the Asian market. You can also find lo mein noodles in the refrigerated section, and you can also find them dry. I'm cutting the noodles in half because they are so long, and this will make them easier to stir-fry and eat. Just cook them according to the package instructions. For the sauce, I'm starting with a little water, and you can use vegetable, seafood, or chicken broth. Adding in some mushroom-flavored dark soy sauce, and this is the key to a good flavored lo mein. Some oyster sauce, sesame oil, and I'm adding in a little heat with some chili paste, and this is optional. Giving that a good stir and setting to the side. This is a stir-fry and it goes quickly, so make sure you have the noodles cooked, the shrimp cleaned, the sauce prepared, and all the vegetables prepped and ready. In my wok on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some oil and my cleaned shrimp, cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes until the shrimp is done and removing from the wok. I wiped out the wok, I'm bringing it back up to heat, adding in some oil and the vegetables. You can use the vegetables that you like. Tonight I'm using some onions, carrots, bell peppers, lots of minced garlic, and I love snow peas. Cooking and stirring for 2 to 3 minutes, just until the vegetables start to soften, but still have a little crunch. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. The package of lo mein noodles will make 2 stir fries, so I'm adding in approximately half of the noodles, half of the shrimp, and all of the sauce goes in. Tossing and cooking until all combined, and we are ready to eat. I have a lot of viewers that make the vegetable, chicken, and beef lo mein and leave comments that they are amazed at how good the lo mein tastes and thankful that they can now make this delicious stir fry at home. You can make this lo mein to your liking, use the vegetables of your choice, and you can add a little sugar for sweetness or chili paste for heat. I hope you give this Chinese shrimp lo mein stir fry a try and enjoy. I'm starting by making the sauce. I have some water and I'm adding in some ketchup, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine vinegar, and you can use rice wine vinegar, a couple good doses of chili oil for some spicy, sugar to balance out the heat, and some cornstarch to thicken the sauce, giving that a good stir. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. For the shrimp, I have about a pound of clean shrimp, and I'm adding in some salt, Shaoxing wine, and again you can use rice wine vinegar, and some cornstarch, giving that a good toss. I'm ready to cook, and just remember to have everything prepped and ready before you get started because this stir fry will be ready to eat in about 10 minutes. In a pan or wok on medium-high heat, I'm adding in some oil and my shrimp, cooking and stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes or until done. Just don't overcook the shrimp. Once done, remove from the pan and set to the side. I lightly wiped out my pan, brought back up to heat, and added a little more oil. Now I'm adding in some minced garlic and chopped red chilies for some spicy heat. Cooking and stirring for about 20 seconds, and then I'm adding in my vegetables. Today I'm using some multicolored bell peppers and the whites of garden onions, and I will be using the greens later. These are beach mushrooms, and I found them at our Asian market. Adding in some snow peas and giving that a good toss. Cooking and stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now the shrimp and all the juices go back into the pan. Adding in the sauce and the green onions. Giving that a good stir, and you're going to start to see the sauce thicken. It smells so good. Cook and stir for about a minute, and it's done. I love the balance of the spicy, sweet, and saltiness. I really enjoy the shrimp in this spicy Chinese stir fry, but you can use chicken, beef, pork, or even tofu. You can also use the vegetables that you like. Serving tonight with some steamed jasmine rice and topping with some chopped green onions. I hope you give this Chinese spicy shrimp stir fry a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.